fish. Oh, just came off. That's a nice one. Got some weight to it. Back to back. Things are heating up. About the same size. This is about 2 minutes after his first fish. These are back-to-back fish that Jim is pulling in. 2 casts, 2 nice fish. Bet you're glad you switched to a jig.
Yeah. Not quite as big as
Not
the
quite.
others, but
All 20, yeah.
unpacking. That's another one.
All right, so this is back to back to back. 3 fish on 3 casts. This one looks like it's bigger than the other 2. Hold them out sideways.
Ouch. Got dorsal right now.
Oh yeah. Oh, right here. Right. Oh. It's a Slimer. Yeah, it's a nice one too. Yes. Are you kidding? It's funny he didn't take my boot off when he hit it. I think this is going to be too big to keep. What do you think?
Turn sideways.
Oh, gotta love it.
Oh, he's fat.
Here we are.
Oh yeah. Don't trip. It feels good. A lot bigger than the other one. So it's got more fight, but I think it's heavier. You can feel the head shake. Kind of like when we're trolling, those type of head shakes.
Yeah.
God, it's so fun when they hit that. It beats trolling any day.
Yeah, I agree.
That's not that big. Probably as big as the first one I got. Wide though. Could be female. Oh, that's a nice fish. Not hooked very good. Not hooked good at all. I guess it was hooked better than I thought. That's what, 25-ish?
Well, I would think.
Boy, what a wide body.
There's a fish. Oh, he's staying down. I didn't think he was much, but he's staying down. Ooh, he's in there. There we go. Nice. What, 19?
They're all within a couple, 3 inches of each other.
It's a nice fish. That one wasn't nearly as deep. I just smacked it right here. Oh! Oh, this is better. Now this is back-to-back cast now. I think this is better.
Good head shake.
Oh yeah.
That's a tank.
Look at that.
That is a tank.
Let's see if I can get her undone here.
Beautiful.
Fish on. Oh, stand down. Oh, that's another nice fish. That's a nice fish. It's a big female. Off she goes.
It's like a brick on the end of your line. That was a little smaller, I think. Not much.
Right next to me. Dandy. Yes. Oh, that was the biggest so far today. Yep. This guy isn't budging. Ooh.
Bigger, I'll go get the net.
That's nice fish.
Hope this camera doesn't get my shivering in here. Oh, she's a football.
How long you think?
I got a tape measure. You want to tape it?
It's gotta be 24.
Is that all she is?
I think so.
Oh, is that all? Is that all? Listen. Don't play cocky.
Yep.
24?
Yep, 24-ish.
Okay.
Still a nice fish. It's gotta be female, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, yeah, that's a female.
That's a good sign.
Yep.
Bigger, yeah.
Good jump. bigger fish moving in here. Can't swallow it? They're hungry.
Oh yeah.
About 23.
Yeah, at least.
Look at how far down that sucked it all the way in.
Ouch.